going to turn on our device, which is what I call the moment of truth. Sometimes when you disconnect the battery, it discharges completely, so you need to reconnect it to a charging source, and from there it'll kind of push the current through from the battery into the board. Without doing so, it may seem like the device is dead. So if you're a newbie technician and you just finished an advanced repair like this, and you went to go turn on the device and the device did what it just did with me, where it didn't turn on, do not freak out. Plug the device in even though the battery was previously charged, and that'll help force that current from the battery into the board. All right.